Welcome back guys to Hanging with Livingston. We're here today. We're gonna be preparing some stew peas and rice. So my wife is doing the video this morning, which is about 9 in the morning. So I'm going to show the ingredients of what we're going to use in this dish that we're preparing today. Over here, as you can see, we have some pigtail. This is pigtail, wash and clean with vinegar and stuff, right? You have to have this stuff nice and clean. This is some smoked turkey, guys. Look at that. Speaks for itself, eh? Smoked turkey. Then we're gonna need some coconut bar, and this is gonna give you a nice flavor and texture. We have our thyme, onion, scallion, garlic, and peas. We're gonna need peas because we're making stew peas. We're gonna be washing our peas and put it in the fire in this spot, a nice size spot that we can put everything in. And we're gonna start the boil by getting the peas open, and then we're gonna wash it and put it on the fire. Alright guys? So we're going to be washing the peas, guys. So you have to always make sure that you wash your peas and your rice and stuff. Alright? I'm gonna give this about 2 wash. Then we're gonna put some water on it so we can prepare our stew peas. So 1 more wash, guys. And the red peas give you a nice color when it mixed with the coconut juice. But you will see all of that in the video. So 2 wash, guys, and then we're going to put some water in it. Put the water on the fire. Alright guys, also we have to put the pigtail to boil with the peas because the pigtail can be a bit hard and the peas is a little bit harder also. You put the 2 of them together to boil so you get the flavor of the pigtail boiling in the peas as well, and the 2 of them combine nicely. Boiling, then you put your coconut juice in or your coconut bar in, whichever you prefer. I like the bar, some people like the milk, some people like the powder, all depending on what you like. Alright?
And some people do it the natural way where they get them full coconut and grate it and juice it and put it in. It's not that type of party today, so we're going to be using the bar today.
So we're going to put just enough water in it so it has time to boil the peas and the pigtail. We're now going to fill the pot though. And then we'll just go halfway. And then with this, guys, you need a lot of garlic. Because the garlic are going to tenderize the peas. Alright, make it soft. Light up the oven now.
The oven?
Light up the stove now. Light up the stove now, guys. put in with pigtail.
With pigtail already washed with some vinegar. And this is not the salted pigtail. I personally am not a fan of the salted one. So yeah, this is the one that's not salted. But you can use the salted one. You know, you just have to boil it off and stuff.
Guys, you know, we're here. We handed down the long spoon because the steam around is not easy. So we're gonna put some salt tonight, guys. Let it go on. Boil with it. We'll use a long spoon and stir it up. And now, guys, remember, years of experience. So, I'm gonna really measure what I put inside here. Put like 3 spoons in there because there's a lot of water. Lots of water, guys. So yes, guys, remember when you put your meat and your peas on, you have to have a lot of garlic in it because garlic will help your meat get soft and your peas get soft in no time.
And flavorful.
Very flavorful, guys. The garlic, so cap it out. Alright, guys, so I'll put that, get boil up and start doing thing, and then we'll get back to it and show you from there on forth, okay? So yes, guys, cut up the ingredients we put in our pot. And we need a lot of pepper, you know, to give it that kick. And with onion. And again, guys, you know, big chef. So I cut it the way me cut it on the years me I cut it. I never cut myself yet. Oh yeah, we'll cut up with green onion as well.
Why? Your finger make me nervous. We need Nerf Ninja to come and teach you.
Never cut myself yet one time, people. That me sure. Look upon them. Not even was care upon them. Not even one time.
Still have your tins.
So this, I will put it on the pot when it boil up and peas get a little bit soft. Pig take it a little bit soft. Then we have this, we season it up with our powder seasoning. And you know, so to bring up the texture and the flavor. And the main ingredient for this thing, see here, the coconut would have good, but this, no with anything at all. You won't make porridge, coconut. You won't make rice, coconut. You want curry, coconut. Brown stew, coconut. You know, anything at all, you put coconut, you know, it definitely leave a statement. And I don't think we use coconut enough, because coconut can use in everything. Even your juice you make, you can use coconut.
The regular coconut, that is.
Yeah, the regular coconut, not the bar.
Not the bar.
Definitely not the bar, nor the one in the tin, or the powder. I'm talking about the coconut itself from the tree. Like what we're going to use to make the coconut drops and the gizzardo in other videos to come. Well, you know, one step at a time. So yes, people, these are my ingredients I'm gonna need, and then I'm gonna have my powder seasoning and season up the pot, and then gonna see the finished product, you know, with some nice white rice. Yes, man, and some fried plantain.
Alright.
Yes, people. So check in back. Alright, so as you can see over here, the stew peas and the pigtail are bubble. So I want it up on the pigtail. The peas are blended right in with it. So when you get like coconut orange now, they'll give that nice color. Alright. But the peas still have a little way to go. So I'll make this sit now. And you can see the garlic in it. See the garlic. So I made it sit for a little while, and then I'm gonna wash up my rice now. And my rice must be. So when everything done, I have everything ready. And then I fry some fried plantain to serve with this. So this is my rice. You know, you have to check your rice. If there's any little black spot or anything in it with that, you know, once you make sure you check your rice before you wash it. And sometimes when you put the water on the rice, then the stuff will float up on top. But so far, the rice look good. So let's wash this. And this may need about 3 wash, because unlike the peas, where it's easier to wash, this you have to make sure it's washed properly. And for the first wash, you want the water to come over the rice. Anything in it, we're not supposed to in it, it float up on top. Yes, people, you have to wash the rice, so look on it. It's so metal, anything with the knife to float up on top. That's how we do thing with the rice. And some people use strainer, or you can use your hand. You just use your hand and make sure you stop it. That's the rice now, run up on the pot. But you need to get off most of the starch off of the rice when you're cooking. And you just get time and chew when you're close to the end, so you don't chew out all of your rice out of it. So people, you see, years of experience, you know, so you know the things that.
You know, so you have some people, when they cook them rice, them boil it first.
Then boil the water.
Yeah, no, them boil the rice itself first, wash it off, strain it, and then wash it again. I guess that aiding in washing off the starch. I've never tried it that way, and me personally like sticky rice. I will call them rice bread, friendly rice. We like it nice and shelly. So, but if that's what you do, you know, more power to you.
Someone in time one time as well said them boil up the water and then throw the rice in it and cover up the pot with the hot water with the rice and the rice steam, and that's really, and I say yes. But I never really tried still, but me now
without the fire?
Yeah.
Oh.
I never really tried, so I don't really know. But you know,
to each his own.
Yeah, we tried. I'm sure it's every work. We tried, of course, why not? That's the only way you can grow, right? By trying new stuff. It can't be, you know, the one seed at all time. You have to try to know different food, try different stuff, right? Because one try all the African food, try and make it. We eat it already, but we want to try and make it. The fufu.
So we're going to make some fufu with a goose soup.
Where that's from?
Yeah, man. We're continental, all over the globe with our palates.
We'll make some. We just go check the ingredients and just wrap it up like a Superstar, you see people.
Alright, and over here. The pot of bubble. The pot is bubbling nicely. And the color get to where we want. Yeah, we like them look a nice pretty color there. Right? So when the stew piece come out, it's nice and pretty. Yeah, we like them color there. Alright, Mr. Livingston doing his thing in the kitchen as usual.
And people, my wife was up on the road running some errands, so Miss Paris, I will come take over there.
Maybe taking over the video.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we'll put this on the fire and light it up now. I'll put some salt in. There we go. So we're going to put some salt in. Some butter. If you put in the butter, your
Whatever you like.
discretion.
And if you don't like butter, you don't have to put in none.
Or we just put in some butter in the rice and some salt. This salt kind of bad enough, so you have to taste as you go along because the salt kind of sour.
I'll put Mr. Livingston. So taste it and see if it means anything more.
So I'm going to get a little spoon. Use it.
Good? Alright.
So we'll just put on where come up on this and make it boil up. Then we're gonna put the 5 people over it and make it steam out. Alright people?
And if you use your rice cooker, you know,
Yeah.
nothing wrong with your rice cooker. I mean, I wasn't a big fan in rice cookers, and I bought one many moons ago when I used to do the travel nursing, and I find it what they I steam some rice tonight and it come out good. It come out good, and you know, it like persons like us who always up on the road, you know, Abigail or Malachi, if they want to do a quick steaming of some rice, just put it down on the rice cooker. So we're not the rice cooker at all. It works quite well.
So we'll cover up the pot people and make it boil up. Boil up, but look on this. So, this will kick up a storm people.
Butter bubble.
As soon as the peas get a little bit softer, we put in the coconut bar. Boil, and then when the coconut boil and get in and everything, then the turkey will go in, because you know the turkey already smoked, so it's soft. You don't want to put in the turkey too early and then you break up another pot. You want to get the turkey nice and cold when you heat it. So when you're biting that turkey with your coconut juice and your pigtail and everything, you put a smile on your face. People that want to say, oh, it must smile so. Oh, yes, people. Alright, so we're checking back with you guys. We're very closer to the end, alright? Alright, people. So, see. peas are almost finished now, so we're gonna put in also people are Paris video now because my wife gone on the road, so Paris video. So you see the guys detail and the peas and the garlic. So we're gonna put in with coconut bar now to make it boil. So that's when this finish up. We just put in our seasoning and the smoked turkey and the rice steam. So we're going to use a scissors people and take off the bag off of this. Then we just put the coconut in. I'm going to use 3 of the bar of this. I want that nice coconut flavor. Right, and when the coconut start boil with the color of the peas, these in the fridge, guys, so them nice and hard. Otherwise, if it's not in the fridge, and if you take it out, it'll be another problem because it's never melt. And when you do it, hard to come out. But when you put it in the fridge, and then you get a little bit hard, you just slide it out easy. When your coconut juice will boil, as you can just put in the coconut juice or coconut bar or coconut milk and take it off. If you make it boil, get a good boil. If you put it on and take it off too quick, that will hurt your belly. So you have to make sure so you have sufficient salt in it. But the salt help as well. So if you're somebody with fresh food with coconut bar or coconut milk or coconut cream or coconut powder, and you don't have enough salt tonight and you don't have to cook properly, it will hurt your belly. Alright people, take a look on this now. So the coconut milk, the peas, cook, pigtail ready. So now we're going to put in the seasoning. We're going to put in the thyme. Put in with thyme. Put in with pepper. Onion. And now everything in. Can you please come in? Okay, so let us start. In front of people. Now by looking at this, you must know say this is going to be a blessed dinner today. And last but not least, we're going to put in with. Sorry mama.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last but not least, we'll put in with smoked turkey. We'll put in with smoked turkey, guys. So now the flavor will stand up. Turn up. Say, we don't play when you come to cooking and making food taste nice. if you have meat in a pot, you're not supposed to cook, and when you cook yourself, where meat there? Meat be in a pot. Look at that, people. Just store right there. Pigtail come up. Peas come up. These people, look at that. You know, we do it over here already. Would have it look nice and taste nice. And the rice has steamed out nicely. Look at that. Look at that, people. Rice steamed out nicely. Yes, man, that's how we do it, you know. Cook with a lot of love. You know, a lot of love. It's a food ever ready. You know, you have to keep the area clean. So we'll make this boil up. And I'll take off the rice and fry up some plantain. So this if you boil up now. Fry up some plantain. You know, you keep your area clean as you go along. The less work for you when you finish. So tell me, guys, look how it look. And when it start boil up, and you get your peas and stuff. But the flavor, guys, the flavor from the smoked turkey. The flavor from the smoked turkey and the hot pepper. I tell the people. It's not normal. That's what you have to cook with. A lot of love. Yes, people. So anyway, guys, I'm going to show you the process of frying your ripe plantain. So first thing first, what you have to do, you have to peel the ripe plantain. So you cut it. And then you have to peel it. Peel it, guys. Peel the skin out. Now just let it sit there. Wait until the oil hot properly. Now, this, the plantain, it when you fry it, it'll be sweet. And there's more than one way of doing your plantain. Alright, you can cut your plantain this way. Yeah, man, oil hot. You can cut your plantain this way. put the plantain that way. And turn on the fire, you don't want it burned. You turn on the fire. You can cut the plantain that way, or you can cut the plantain the long way, which is this way. Yeah, and flip them. You want both sides to fry nicely. So you flip them from both sides. And if you don't know what you do, you burn them up. You know my thing. And I know me how to do this a long time. Years of experience. And then you go on. Paper towel on a dish. Then I'm drain off the excess oil. I'll fry it. Plate, paper towel, just like this. So when them fry, you get the excess oil off, and you have one bag of oil for your plantain. Yes, people. Like these ones, now see you want them. See that? See you want them, so you take them out. And it don't take long for fry. Right, plantain, not take long for fry. And I say you cut it thin, so really and truly not take long for fry. You want to say fry from both sides. And then you take them out and burn them up. That's the coat. This will put on nicely. Nicely good. Nicely. Check out these one, cause these one ready. You know when you're planting, burn up. And you don't need to put salt on your plantain because you don't need it. Alright guys, we'll get back to you when we finish, alright? Alright guys, so I put some spinners in this stew piece. They cook with it. So just need it. Now we'll roll them up and put them in the pot. Can you show them first? So this is what you call spinners. So you need a flour and then you roll them up or spin them up and put them in your pot. And when you do this guys, you need to have your fingernail clean, right? And your fingernail off a cut because you don't want nothing your fingernail going out of dumpling when you need it. So you roll them up, put them in. And these tin, right, they're smaller than tin, so they don't really take long to cook. And the plantain over there, just right. So just need them, roll up these now, put in the pot. And soon after, I hit that. So we see you guys on the finishing touch. Come again, Parpa, show them again. These are the spinners. And then we get a spin. Look on that people. Look at that. Pigtail, turkey, smoke. Look at that. It's as nice as it look, people, may I tell you. Trust me. Alright, we're checking now when we finish up. Alright guys. Come show them first. This is the finished product, so I can share out a plate now. I hope you guys see. So this is of the spinners and the turkey and everything. So here you go guys, we're ready. Ready? So guys, that's the end of the video. So you know, as usual, like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you guys for hanging around this video. Thank you very much guys, and this is how you do stew peas, white rice with ripe plantain. Alright guys, thank you very much.